In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze form submission data in Hubspot. Understanding how your forms are performing is a crucial part of improving customer engagement and optimizing your marketing strategies. By learning how to review and interpret form data, you'll gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior and be able to make smarter decisions for your business. If you're not already using HubSpot, you can find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, head over to HubSpot's website and log into your account. Make sure you use the email address and password you registered with. If you have trouble logging in, double-check that your credentials are correct to avoid any issues. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start analyzing your form data. Next, navigate to the Marketing tab on the homepage. You'll find it in the top menu bar. Once you're there, click on the option labeled Forms. This will take you to the main Forms section where all your form-related tools and data are located. Now, look for the Analyze option within the Forms interface and click on it. This is an important step because it opens up the dashboard where you can view detailed analytics about your form submissions. This dashboard is your go-to place for understanding how well your forms are performing over time. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to review the submission metrics displayed. Here you'll see key data points like the number of submissions, the completion rate, and possibly even details about when and where your forms are being filled out. This information is incredibly useful for understanding customer behavior and evaluating the effectiveness of your forms. As you look through the data, start identifying patterns or anomalies. For example, are there certain times of the day or week when submissions spike? Are there forms with unusually low completion rates? Noticing these trends can help you spot what's working well and what might need improvement. Additionally, if you see correlations between your forms and specific marketing campaigns, that's a great opportunity to fine-tune your strategy. Using the insights you've gathered, think about how you can optimize your forms to improve customer engagement. Maybe it's simplifying the fields on a form that's not performing well or adjusting the timing of when a form is shown to your audience. Regularly analyzing this data allows you to stay responsive to your audience's needs and ensures your forms are driving the results your business needs to grow. And that's how you analyze form submission data in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be able to understand your audience better, refine your marketing efforts, and achieve greater success with your forms. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.